Rats are small rodents known for their adaptability and prolific breeding. They belong to the Muridae family and are found worldwide, thriving in various habitats from urban areas to rural landscapes. Rats are characterized by their long hairless tails, sharp incisors, and keen sense of smell. These rodents are notorious for their ability to transmit diseases to humans through their droppings and urine. They are also destructive pests, causing damage to crops, buildings, and food storage. Rats are omnivorous, consuming a wide range of foods, including grains, fruits, and even other animals. Rats are highly social animals, living in colonies with complex hierarchies. They communicate using a combination of vocalizations, body language, and scent marking. Due to their rapid reproduction and resilience, rat control measures are essential to prevent infestations and safeguard public health. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Thank you for taking the time to watch.